street rod to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1936 Chevrolet Master Coupe street rodded. Good looking 5-window coupe at that. All right, underneath the hood, V8 power 283 cubic inch Chevrolet small block. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome on the bumper, grill, headlight bezels. It does have a more modern headlight in it, as you can see, with looks like turn signal indicators possibly down below. Color, I would say kind of like deep purple, rich looking color. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on chrome wheels, that chrome center cap, radial tires. I did notice a couple spots here and there. I don't know if you can see that there, one other little one down there. A couple little touch-ups in the paint, but overall paint has a nice shine to it. You can see there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Do note that the glass is tinted on the side and the rear of the car, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. This is an all-steel body. Come around to the rear, take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Also some custom pinstriping, as you can see. When we get to the interior, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I also want to mention that there is a Pioneer stereo system that is working, and that's in the glove box. It does have newer exhaust from the front to rear. The battery is actually located behind the passenger front seat, and there is a battery disconnect. Manual choke is to the left of the steering column, and there's also a horn button underneath the dash to the left of the steering column. Little air horn setup. We'll see that when we open the hood. Technician noted it brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. And he also did note that sometime in the near future, tires will need to be replaced. Starting to show their age. But it does drive out well. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, and if you stick around to the very end of the video. If you like these street rods, whether it's a Ford or a Chevy, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can also see the driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches again. Door panels, gray cloth, interior bucket seats. Looks like those are out of a newer model Equinox Chevrolet, and the power seat is working. It's a nice fabric on these, very durable. And if I step back, there's the true color interior, kind of a charcoal and gray two-tone combination. Tilt column, nice aftermarket gauge setup. As I mentioned, two things to the left of the steering column, choke and horn button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let you hear that horn too. So nice rumble coming out of 283. There's your got an air horn, dual note horn underneath the hood. Oil pressure came up. Temp gauge. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Obviously, speedometer, fuel gauge is working, and voltmeter. I mentioned stereo system Pioneer, I believe it was, yes, and that is working also. It's a good sounding car. Visor's in place. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Little rumble coming out of that small block. Let me pause this a second. We'll get these hood panels open so we can check out that engine bay. All right, so hood panel's open. There you can see power brakes. There's those noisy little horns for that air setup. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake manifold, HCI ignition, aluminum radiator. You can see there is a shut-off in that coolant hose. There's no blower fan in it, just there's no heat, FYI. Not going to drive this in the cold much, I don't suppose. Be a fun one for summertime though, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's a 1936 Chevrolet Master Coupe street rotted. Sounding good. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1936 Chevrolet Coupe. This would be a street rod. Done up nicely with late model bucket seats. The driver's seat is power adjustable. Our left turn signal indicator is working. This is an automatic with a long stick right down on the floor, makes it easy to drive. Our fuel gauge reads full. The temperature gauge coming up to about 120, still warming up. I'm waiting for a bunch of traffic today. The oil pressure is 50 psi. Volts are charging at 14.5 as they should. Nice gauges. The gauges say Omega Custom Instrument Company. Don't think I've seen those before. They look good. Kind of a silver face. We have a lever here with dice on it to open the fresh air vent. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Nice rumble to this car. Only minimal slack in the steering. Purple paint job. Comfortable interior. Lacara steering wheel. They've even finished the sun visors nicely in cloth. Plenty of room. I'm 6'1" and I have extra headroom, and the seat is even up. You can power it down and up, and I have it pretty high. Plenty of room still. Great visibility towards the front of the mirror. Take care to the rear visibility. Got some speakers in the back, and that's for this stereo that's hidden away in the glove box, the Pioneer. Sounds good. I have not tested CD, but FM is working well. Brakes straight, brakes smoothly. Be sure and check out all the pictures of this 36 Chevrolet Street Rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.